Hi guys, welcome to Kids Can Cook Kitchen. My name is Chef Juel and we are making pizza sandwich.
Yeah, my name is Chef Ken, and as Juel has said, we are making pizza sandwich. What do we have here? We have our pizza dough.
Cheese,
Bacon,
sausage, flour.
Yeah, so this is very easy at home. You can make pizza sandwich. So Juel will roll our pizza sandwich as I fry the bacon and sausage. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Okay, we go.
Huh? Dad.
Yeah, so you dust the surface to avoid sticking. Okay, take the dough.
Sticky.
Move the dough, put it on the surface.
Good, thank you.
Okay, now knead the dough. Dust, then, okay, now use a rolling pin.
Okay.
Rolling, pulling. Yeah, let me show you. You turn the dough. So guys, on the other video that we made the pizza, we showed you how to make the pizza dough. So you make it early in advance for the dough to prove. Then you roll it. Rolling. Good. So for today, our toppings or fillings will be the bacon and some sausages. So as we fry our bacon, Juel, do you love bacon?
Yeah, it's my favorite type of topping.
It's your favorite type of topping?
Yeah.
Yes, bacon is so nice because it's salty and smoky. And some smoked sausages. So are you rolling and pulling?
Yeah.
Rolling.
Pulling.
Yeah. So guys, remember, it's a pizza toast. Very easy to make because you don't need to use an oven. You just use a normal sandwich maker.
Yeah.
We'll show you how it looks like.
That's okay.
Yes, let me see. So we need to turn. And always dust your surface, okay? Dust your surface, then roll evenly. Make sure it's even everywhere, okay?
Okay. I made a really big one.
Yeah, so Juel, that's big enough.
Okay.
So we use the base of the pizza to measure to top and bottom, okay?
Okay.
Now which shape is this? The larger one is rectangle shape. And the inner one, triangle shape. Okay, so I'll give you the task of cutting. Okay. Let me see. Yes, let me help you. So you cut the shape of so yeah, the excess dough. We'll remold it and make. Okay.
Some more, senior.
Yes, some more.
Oh, this looks sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. That's why we.
Put it down.
That's why we were dusting our surface for our flour not to stick. Okay.
Daddy, I'm not cut here.
Yeah.
Daddy.
There we go. So the excess, we remold it again into a dough. Mold it. Yes, put it in. So you mold it and let it rest.
Rest for a little bit.
For a little bit. Now our toppings are ready. So we chop our
toppings. Can I chop?
You want to taste some bacon?
Yeah.
Your favorite?
Ooh.
A little bit hot.
Can I chop the bacon?
You want to chop the bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. Chop. A little bit hot also. So you chop the bacon roughly chopped. Okay. The bacon is crispy.
Yeah.
Very nice. Said you love bacon?
Yeah. And it smells good.
Smells good. Yeah.
And that's a sausage.
So there we have our bacon. Put it on the plate. It's yummy.
And I also love sausage.
Okay, let me cut the sausage into cubes.
I want to cut it into cubes.
It's hot. Just wait.
Okay.
Don't finish the toppings, okay?
Okay.
When you finish,
it,
we won't have a pizza because we will have eaten all the toppings.
you're poking like you're removing, like you're taking what cheapo.
Yes. Hot.
I can see even smoke.
Yeah. So you can wait for the toppings to get a little bit colder.
Yeah, or warm.
Yes, or warm. There we are done.
Yeah.
Now, on our next step, we'll
What?
take our base
Which base?
and now assemble our pizza. Okay?
Okay.
So guys, as you can see, we have our pizza sauce, pizza dough, our sandwich maker,
and
toppings,
and the cheese.
and cheese. So we start with the base. Goes to the base. Make sure you stretch it enough.
Yeah.
Stretch it. So Juel, add the sauce. So as Juel,
Can I taste the sauce?
wait first, spread.
Okay. And then I'll taste.
It's good to taste what you're cooking. Okay.
I'm saying the sauce.
Okay. Continue. We have good spread. So as you spread the toppings.
For now, the sauce part.
Now here. Guys, remember we are using a sandwich maker to make a pizza sandwich. So Juel, now cheese.
Okay.
Cheese. Okay, that's enough. Then,
I'm not put here.
okay, put here. Good girl. Okay, that's enough. So we'll take the dough and cover on
Top.
top. Cover on top. Make sure it's covered. Then we do what? We
Low.
close it.
And the ends will have to cut.
No, the ends are fine.
Why?
Just leave the ends so that the sauce does not ooze out. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
So guys, you're going to cook this for 5 minutes till it's done.
done.
Till it's
Done.
Guys, we are so excited. Are you excited
Yes.
to see the results?
Yes.
Let's open. Surprise.
Wow.
Here we have our sandwich pizza. Sandwich?
Pizza.
Yeah, it's ready. So guys, here we go.
Here is not cooked.
Here it's, because here it was out there.
We cut it.
Yes, we cut it out. And here we have our...
What? Are you cooking it?
No, we cut the edges. We trim the edges, okay?
Like you're trimming hair.
Yeah. Trim the edges. So that now we have our sandwich pizza. Okay, are you ready?
Can we cut the middle?
Guys, this is very amazing. You can make sandwich using a sandwich maker. This
How
is
about
very
here?
easy. You don't need to have an oven. Juel, wait.
Yeah.
Understand? So now you want to cut at the middle. We see the toppings and the cheese. Okay?
Yeah.
Now,
Whoa, that's cool.
yeah.
It looks like a home.
Yeah.
It looks like a house.
Yes, and the cheese is melted. So you wait for some minutes for the pizza to get cold. Okay,
I want to eat one.
let it get cold. Okay, you wait. Okay, for the pizza because it's too hot. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, guys, and they are simple. So you can make pizza using a sandwich maker. Okay.
Okay.
So guys
This one
at
I'm gonna
home,
cut.
this is Kids Can Cook Kitchen, where we teach young chefs how to cook, and that's how you make a sandwich pizza. From me, Chef Ken, and
Chef Juel.
bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.
What?